Bosses, managers, CXOs, or whatever you may call yourself as, you are essentially a leader. During this COVID time and immediately after that, you shall be facing 6 important challenges requiring actions. We are not an expert for the future. We are only an expert of the past. So these are only the probabilities. And of course, the new normal that we keep talking about will remain abnormal for some time. So what are these actions for a leader? I'll be sharing with you my 6 ideas built around the word leader itself as an acronym. First, L, leveraging innovative thinking. There are going to be problems galore, and therefore a lot of new thinking will be required, which you need to create along with your team, whether virtually or whenever possible in person. But new ideas have to be created. Second, emotional and physical assurance. While I'm sure your organization will take all precautions in terms of people are safe vis-a-vis their health when they come to the workplace, their emotional well-being is very vital, because all of us have gone through a lot amount of anxieties. Whether the job is going to be there or not, what's going to be about my role, are there going to be even pay cuts, how are we going to manage it? Now this is what the assurance as a leader you will need to offer. Third, we need to revisit the agenda alignment. Yes, the company has an agenda, your team has an agenda, and even the individuals have an agenda. We will have to really work in terms of how do we align all these 3 types of agendas. Fourth, deliverable and design recalibrations. The old is gone. In the new era, maybe we'll have to actually define the processes, simplify them further, and therefore collective wisdom of the team is going to be very vital. And the deliverables may also get redefined because our objectives may change. Next point, economizing and optimizing resources. Yes, the emphasis shall be in terms of cost cuttings. The emphasis shall be in terms of whatever limited resources you have, how do we take a full advantage of that? So resource wastage is a total no. Rather, in terms of how do we stretch the last element and benefit of each resource is going to be a major challenge. And finally, rejuvenating people and the team consistently is very important. Remain in touch with them more on the personal front during these virtual interactions. And when they come back, make sure that they combine all the energies with you. You all fight together to create a new normal, what we talk about. So teams have to be in high spirits, individuals have to be high spirits. Yes, friends, these are the 6 important challenges you shall be facing. And of course, if your organization needs, I can even assist them to sail through this and even coach different teams at different times. Thank you very much.